Shame. Shame is the painful feeling that a mistake means you are less worthy, and with practice, shame becomes learning, repair, tauba, and stronger self respect. Now let's learn how to overcome this through a short story. Nabil made a visible mistake in front of his team, and afterward, he wanted to hide and stop speaking. He decided to separate the event from his identity and repair calmly, seeking Allah's forgiveness. Discover. Nabil noticed visually shame behaviors such as avoiding eye contact, deleting messages, and wanting to disappear after the mistake. He noticed auditorily shame talk saying, I am stupid and I always mess up. And he recognized the language was harsh and untrue. So he said Astaghfirullah and returned to the truth. He felt kinesthetically heaviness in his chest and stomach, heaviness in his face, and an urge to shrink. He noticed olfactorily that his work desk and group setting triggered the shame feeling. He noticed gustatorily appetite shifts and comfort cravings involved. Nabil wrote visually two separate lines which were I made a mistake and I am a mistake, and he crossed out the second line as a false identity. Nabil used auditorily a correction statement and said, I did something wrong and I can fix it. And he made a short dua for strength. Nabil reset kinesthetically his posture by standing tall and shoulders back and breathing slowly reduces because a stronger posture reduced shame quickly. Nabil used olfactorily fresh air to calm his nervous system and a signal to clean restart. Nabil drank gustatorily water slowly and treated it as a reset before returning to action. Visualize. Nabil pictured visually the mistake becoming a lesson and a better system, not a personal collapse. Nabil imagined auditorily his inner voice saying, I grow this, I can repair, and I can be better. Trusting Allah accepts sincere efforts. Nabil imagined kinesthetically self-respect returning as he took the next right step. Nabil imagined olfactorily clean air and a fresh start. Nabil imagined gustatorily water after the fix, feeling like calm success. Engage. Nabil tracked visually growth wins by marking each time he admitted, fixed, and prevented as progress. Nabil replaced auditorily shame language with learning language by saying, Next time I will, and he supported himself by listening to the Quran to soften self attack. Nabil practiced kinesthetically repair action immediately through one message, one fix, and one improvement step. Nabil built olfactorily a calm ritual after mistakes using fresh air and a written plan. Nabil supported gustatorily emotional steadiness with water and balanced meal so shame spikes reduce.